Dr. Elias Vance's Blueprint for Rejuvenation. Elias Vance, a renowned geneticist from the Evergreen Institute, has spent more than 2 decades studying the mysteries of aging, longevity, and cellular rejuvenation. His groundbreaking research challenges the conventional belief that aging is an inevitable, irreversible process. Instead, Dr. Vance argues that aging is highly influenced by lifestyle, environment, and cellular signals, and that our bodies possess remarkable self-healing mechanisms that can be reactivated through the right habits and stimuli. Drawing from his extensive research and the best-selling book The Blueprint for Rejuvenation, Dr. Vance highlights 3 foundational pillars for revitalizing the body and slowing the aging process: strengthening mitochondria, adopting strategic fasting practices, and implementing simple daily habits that activate the body's innate repair systems. These pillars are based on the latest scientific evidence and are accessible to anyone willing to make consistent, mindful changes. 1. Mitochondria. The powerhouses of mitochondria are tiny structures inside each cell that act as energy factories, producing adenosine triphosphate ATP, the currency that fuels everything from muscle contraction to brain activity. When mitochondria are abundant and healthy, the body functions more efficiently, energy levels remain high, and the effects of aging are slowed. On the other hand, damaged or inefficient mitochondria contribute to fatigue, slower recovery, and increased susceptibility to age-related diseases. Why mitochondria are crucial for aging and health energy production. Mitochondria convert glucose and fatty acids into ATP, which powers cellular processes. Healthy mitochondria ensure optimal energy supply throughout the day. Oxidative stress reduction. High-functioning mitochondria produce fewer harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative damage to DNA and proteins. Cell signaling and repair. Mitochondria play a role in initiating cell repair and triggering processes like autophagy, where damaged cellular components are recycled. How to improve mitochondrial health. A regular exercise. A natural mitochondrial booster exercise, especially cardiovascular and endurance activities, is one of the most effective ways to increase the number and quality of mitochondria. Dr. Vance recommends at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing on most days of the week. Weekly goal: aim for 150 minutes of cardio spread across the week, combined with 2 to 3 sessions of strength training to build and maintain muscle. Muscle tissue is metabolically active and houses a high number of mitochondria, making it vital for longevity. Why this works. During exercise, the body experiences a temporary energy deficit, signaling cells to produce more mitochondria to meet future energy demands. This process, known as mitochondrial biogenesis, is essential for slowing the aging process. Avoid prolonged sitting. Sedentary behavior can impair mitochondrial function and reduce energy output. Dr. Vance advises taking 5 to 10-minute movement breaks every hour. Stand up, stretch, or walk around. Small bursts of activity, even light ones, help keep mitochondria active and prevent them from becoming sluggish. Stimulate brain. Mitochondria. The brain consumes a significant portion of the body's energy, making mitochondrial health and neurons critical for cognitive function. Activities that challenge your brain, such as learning a new language, playing strategy games, solving puzzles, or engaging in creative hobbies, demand more ATP, which stimulates the production of new brain mitochondria. 2. Fasting. The cellular reset button. Vance describes fasting as a biological reset, where the absence of food signals the body to repair and renew itself, rather than focus solely on digestion and energy storage. Fasting triggers powerful genetic and cellular pathways linked to longevity and resilience. Key benefits of fasting. Activation of sirtuins. Sirtuins are a family of proteins that regulate DNA repair, reduce inflammation, and remove damaged cells. They are activated when energy intake is reduced, making fasting a potent tool for cellular repair. Enhanced mitochondrial performance. Fasting improves the efficiency of mitochondria, encouraging them to produce energy from stored fat and ketone. Bodies, this metabolic flexibility translates into higher energy levels and better endurance. See autophagy, the body's self-cleaning mode during fasting. Cells enter a state called autophagy, in which they break down and recycle old or malfunctioning components. This process reduces cellular waste, enhances performance, and protects against age-related diseases. Popular fasting methods. 1. Intermittent fasting. 16/8. This method involves fasting for 16 consecutive hours and consuming meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat your first meal at noon and your last by 8 p.m. 2. 2-meal daily approach instead of eating 3 meals a day. Dr. Vance suggests a high-quality, nutrient-dense meals spaced apart, typically skipping breakfast. This naturally extends the fasting window, giving your body more time to activate repair pathways. Practical tips for fasting. Start with a 12-hour overnight fast and gradually extend to 14 to 16 hours. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee, no sugar or cream during fasting. Focus on high-quality proteins, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains during eating windows. Avoid overeating during feeding times to ensure fasting benefits are not undone. 3. Simple daily habits for lasting rejuvenation. Vance stresses that small, consistent actions have far greater impact than expensive treatments or quick fixes. 3 habits stand out as particularly effective: cold exposure, fasted exercise, and proper posture. A cold exposure, activating brown-fractured bursts of cold, such as ending your shower with 1 to 2 minutes of cold water, sleeping in a slightly cooler room, or taking brisk morning walks, activate brown fat. This type of fat burns calories to generate heat and boosts mitochondrial function, increasing your body's ability to adapt to stress. Exercise in a fasted state. Working out before your first meal forces the body to use stored fat for energy. It also stimulates the release of myokines, muscle-derived proteins that promote brain, heart, and liver health. Start with light activities, like a 20 to 30-minute walk or jog before breakfast. Follow your workout with a protein-rich meal to support muscle recovery. Maintain good posture. Posture affects more than just appearance. It impacts energy flow, blood circulation, and hormone balance. Poor posture compresses the diaphragm, reduces oxygen intake, and can lead to fatigue. Tips: keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor while sitting. Walk with your head up, taking deep, steady breaths. Stretch tight muscles daily, especially the chest, hips, and upper back. Putting it all together. A daily blueprint. Make these practices sustainable. Dr. Vance recommends integrating them gradually. Start with posture awareness and hourly movement breaks. Add regular exercise, cardio, and strength. Introduce intermittent fasting once your activity routine is steady. Incorporate cold exposure and fasted workouts. Challenge your brain daily with creative or intellectual tasks. A sample daily routine: morning, drink a glass of water, take a brisk 20-minute fasted walk, and end your shower with cold water. Workday, break up sitting with movement every hour. Maintain good posture and do quick stretches. Midday, have your first meal, focusing on lean protein, about 25 to 40 grams, vegetables, and healthy fats. Afternoon, perform 30 minutes of cardio or a strength session. Then enjoy your second meal. Evening, take a light walk after dinner. Do gentle stretches and ensure your bedroom is slightly cool for better sleep. The core message. Vance emphasizes that true rejuvenation doesn't come from expensive treatments or elusive miracle cures. Instead, it lies in simple, repeatable, and science-backed habits: exercise, fasting, posture, cold exposure, and mental challenges. These actions activate the body's natural repair systems, helping you feel more energetic, focused, and resilient. Your body is capable of far more repair and renewal than you realize. Dr. Vance notes, the key is to consistently give it the right signals